and say, was it the boogeyman?
Me and I went to a couple stores, so here's my home, here's my home, and then we tried everything on, and we love everything.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all drag my feet along the floor. Then I see you walking across the campus. Cool professor studying romances. How am I supposed to pretend? I never want to go by loving overlooked and unappreciated. You see, you can reciprocate. I got delicious taste. You need a woman's touch in your place. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna.
Don't talk. No, no, no. Don't talk.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why am I so stubborn? Why don't I just give up? Is what I would say if I was a little bitch that.
So people say if you write down the first letter of your eye colour, the second letter of your name, the third letter of the month that you were born in, the fourth letter of your favourite drink, and then again the first letter of your favourite pet, then you get your spirit name. Right. So people say if you write down the first letter of your eye colour, the second letter of your name, the third letter of the month that you were born in, the fourth letter of your favourite drink, and then again the first letter of your favourite pet, then you get your spirit name. Right. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Stop.
I go get these bottles, we go alcohol insane. Calling all the girls, do you hear me? All around the world, city to city.
my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't.
There's a stranger in the bed. There's a pounding in the head. Glitter all over the room. Think the
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer.
Hey guys! I'm really sorry for not posting. This week was just a really busy week, and the following weeks was as well. I am sick right now, and I also just finished my finals and my final exams, so that's why I haven't been posting a lot. I also don't have that much motivation, you guys, so just comment out some ideas and stuff that you want to see in this account. And also, I'll be tagging my main account because that's also what I've been focusing on, because I got it back after 4 months. So you guys can go check it out and follow me there, but I'm not certain if I'm gonna still keep on posting here, but I'm not gonna let you guys down. I'm gonna keep posting here, you guys, and I'm gonna try to find some ideas and motivation. So, bye guys! Hey guys, so it's New Year's, it's 2023, and I haven't posted in almost 2 months. And I'm really sorry for not being online. I guess I just kind of needed a break, and I also lost kind of like, I lost motivation of posting videos because I'm not really getting any ideas, and I don't know, I just don't feel like it anymore. But obviously I don't want to just abandon you guys because I worked so hard for this account, I built a whole house, I built a lot of stuff for her and for Bailey and Millie as well. So I don't really want to abandon you guys, but I just wanted to make something clear. I will be posting, but maybe I might just be posting every week. I will be trying to, create and, think about ideas and, get more motivation so I can post more. I know it's like New Year and stuff, so I guess one of my New Year resolutions is try to post more